Hi, good morning everyone. Yesterday I have given the introduction of this line, three-dimensional. I have started three-dimensional geometry. Introduction given by which one topic? Line. Now today I am taking questions from this line. Clear? We have seen two types of lines. Now how to find the equation of line, that's we will see today. Now listen here. The question number 1 I am taking, find the equation of line. This is another most important question. This one, find the equation of line passing through the point. See, this is the equation of line. It is passing through where it is 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to two lines. This required line is perpendicular to two lines. Okay, fine. So the line is given x minus 1 upon 1 equal to y minus 2 upon 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 3. And then next x upon minus 3 equal to y upon 2 equal to z upon 5. So what I told you, either vector form, Cartesian form, that is up to your choice. See, equation of line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. So direction ratio we used to consider from parallel line. So I am taking b vector equal to, that is iai plus bj plus ck. Okay. Now again come to this question. Equation of line passing through this point and parallel to a given vector is, yesterday we have seen r vector equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. Clear? So r vector equal to, since it is passing through 2, 1, 3, so therefore a vector is 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, or plus lambda into b vector we have taken, that is ai plus bj plus ck. Now we have to find which vector? B vector. Now how to find the b vector? Now see, here what they are saying, this required line is perpendicular to two lines. What I told you, if two lines are perpendicular, then direction ratio for dot product equal to 0. Clear to you? So what is the direction ratio of this line? Direction ratio. So before considering direction ratio, you must check coefficient of x, y, z must be 1. Means that the equation of line must be standard form. Clear to you? Now this is standard form. So this is direction ratio 3, 2, 5. And direction ratio of this line is, direction ratios are here. This is standard form. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Otherwise you have to convert it. Okay. Clear? 1, 2, 3. Now as per given, I am taking b. This is you take it as per given. Direct I am taking direction ratio of dot product is 0. So as per given, minus 3a plus 2b and then plus 5c equal to 0. And another equation I am getting here, dot product direction ratio, that is a plus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. Now otherwise you can do b vector equal to lambda into b1 vector cross b2 vector. This also you can use, that is up to your choice. Clear to you what I am saying? Now, so here, how can we find the value of ABC? That is ABC, the coefficient is minus 3, 2, 5. And then here 1, 2, 3. Now A upon, now delete, same determinant method, delete corresponding row column, that is 6 minus 10, that is equal to minus B upon minus 9 minus 5 and then equal to C upon minus 6 minus 2 equal to, say, lambda. This implies what I am getting, A equal to minus 4 lambda and B equal to 14 lambda and C is equal to minus 8 lambda. If I divide common number, this implies direction ratio A equal to what I am getting 2 lambda. You can divide minus 2 lambda, so that is 2 and B equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 4. Clear? So therefore B vector equal to 2i minus, one of the most important and very easiest question that's in our mind. So therefore equation of line, so what we are getting, r vector equal to, that is 2i plus j plus 3k plus lambda into b vector. What is b vector here? 2i minus 7j and then plus 4k. If you want to convert it into Cartesian form, suppose if they ask find the equation of Cartesian form, then convert it, that is x minus x1, that is x minus 2 upon a, what is direction ratio? 2, that is equal to y minus y1 upon direction ratio minus 7. equal to z minus 3 upon direction ratio 4. This is the equation of line Cartesian form. That is up to a choice. You can present vector form or Cartesian. In case if they ask particularly Cartesian form, then finally you have to convert it into Cartesian form. Clear to you? So this is one of the most important question, how to find the equation of line. So means passing point are always given. So you have to find the direction ratio. So using given condition, how to find the direction ratio, that's you have to see. Clear? Now let me take another question. This is also one of the most important repeated question. Now you have to find that means what they are saying, two lines are intersecting. You have to show both lines are intersecting. See, I am taking another question. So this is one line, this is one line, and both lines are intersecting here at this point. So you have to show that both lines are intersecting, also find the point of intersection. See, suppose if it is 6 mark question, you do one thing. If two lines are intersecting, yesterday what I told you, if it is a skew lines, if are intersecting, then SD is 0. Clear to you? So here, suppose if they ask a 6 mark question, first you have to show SD equal to 0. Clear to you? Okay. Suppose if it is a 4 mark question, find the point of intersection. Show that both lines are intersect, also find the point of intersection. Then you do one thing. Now let I am taking x plus 1 upon 3 equal to y plus 3 upon 5 equal to z plus 5 upon 7 equal to say lambda. This implies x is equal to what we will get it 3 lambda minus 1 and y equal to 5 lambda minus 3 and z equal to 7 lambda minus 5. Now taking another line and let another line what is given here, x minus 2 upon 1 equal to y minus 4 upon 3 equal to z minus 6 upon 5 equal to say mu, different scalar you have to take. So x is equal to mu plus 2 and y equal to 3 mu plus 4 and then z equal to 5 mu plus 6. Clear? Now see, listen, this is equation number 1 I am taking, this is equation number 2. This xy is that if both lines are intersecting. I am taking condition, if both lines, once if you prove SD equal to 0, then since two lines are intersecting, you can write. Here I didn't show SD equal to 0. So that's why I am keeping condition here, if both lines are intersecting. And then automatically xy must be same. So I am making equation equal of this lambda and mu x. I am making equation of this one and this one. So this implies 3 lambda minus 1 that is equal to mu plus 2. This implies what I am getting here, 3 lambda minus mu that is equal to 3. That is equation number 3. Another equation, if I make it equating both equation, this one, that is 5 lambda minus 3 that is equal to 3 mu plus 4. This implies what I am getting, 5 lambda minus 3 mu that is equal to 7. That is equation number 2. So solve 1 and 2. So equation number 3 multiplied by 3. So this implies 9 lambda minus 3 mu equal to 9 and then 5 lambda minus 3 mu equal to 7. So if a minus plus minus it will be cancelled. Now 4 lambda that is equal to 2. This implies lambda equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2. So if lambda is 1 by 2, then substitute any one equation. So 3 by 2 minus mu equal to 3. So this implies mu equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 that is equal to minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now you do one thing. So equation 1 implies I am substituting value of lambda here. So x is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 and y equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 and z equal to 7 by 2 minus 5. So this implies I am getting x is equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to that is 6 minus 1 by 2 and z equal to minus 3 by 2. So first point I am getting here 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 and minus 3 by 2. If I substitute the value of mu in equation number 2 implies x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 2 and y equal to minus 9 by 2 plus 4 and z equal to minus 15 by 2 plus 6. Clear? So this implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So and y equal to I am getting 8 minus 1 by 2 and z equal to that is a 12 minus a 3 by 2. Now here again I am getting the point 1 upon 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Now see, this is and this same points, therefore Therefore, both lines are, you can write your suggestion, therefore both lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting and intersecting at and intersecting at where? Intersecting at. Clear to you? So one way to, suppose if any point is different, then both lines are not intersecting. Clear? So how can you show you two lines are intersecting? How to find the point of intersection? So depends on the marking how to change your presentation. That's keep in mind. Suppose if they ask 6 mark question, then go for like the ST equal to 0, then start do these are all the things. If they ask 4 mark question, then start from beginning here only. Okay. Now let me another most important question. How to find the image perpendicular like this. Okay. Now let me write. Let me see the question. Now see question number 3 I am taking. Find foot of perpendicular. Find foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular. Drawn from, one of the most important repeated question. Drawn from 1, 6, 3 on the line x upon 1 equal to y minus 2 upon 2 equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Also find image. Okay, this is another most important question. Let me do it. Now see what they are asking here. Find the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular drawn from one point given here. Now see. Now this is a line. Line is given x upon 1 equal to y minus 2 upon 2 equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now point I am taking P point 1, 6, 3. You have to find foot of perpendicular. Perpendicular you have to draw, that is a Q. I am taking X, Y, Z. This is called foot of perpendicular. Now extend it, the same equal distance you have to take it. I am taking P dash, this is image of P. Okay, Y dash, Z dash. Another most important question. See one thing, keep in mind, two lines are perpendicular. So direction ratio dot product equal to 0. So you have to find the direction ratio of this line, direction ratio of this line. Clear to you? Now for that purpose what I am doing, let x for finding this point, x upon 1 equal to y minus 2 upon 2 equal to z minus 2 upon 3 equal to say lambda. This implies x is equal to lambda and y equal to 2 lambda plus 2 and z equal to 3 lambda plus 2. Clear? Now what I am going to do, I am going to do since as per given condition both lines are perpendicular. What are they? Say I am taking this is L line. So now since PQ is perpendicular to L, now direction ratio of L निकाल that is 1. Before taking direction ratio you must check the coefficient of x, y, z must be 1. So 1, 2, 3. Now direction ratio of PQ. What is the direction ratio of PQ? X minus 1, y minus 6 and z minus 3. Now if two lines are perpendicular, you know about it, both direction ratio dot product is 0. This implies x minus 1 or plus 2 into y minus 6 plus 3 into z minus 3, that is equal to direction ratio dot product equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 plus 2y minus 12 plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. This implies what I am getting finally equation, x plus 2y or plus 3z, that is 10 minus 22 equal to 0. Now substitute value of x, y, z in terms of lambda here. So our target is to find lambda. Clear? That's what I am doing here. Now the value of x is lambda plus 2 into 2 lambda plus 2 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 2 and minus 22 equal to 0. So lambda plus 4 lambda plus 4 plus 9 lambda plus 6 minus 22 equal to 0. 5 lambda and then 14 lambda, that is equal to, that is a 4, 6, 10, 12. So 12 implies lambda equal to what I am getting, 12 by 14, that is equal to 6 by 7. Clear to you what I am saying? This one clear how I am finding lambda. Now therefore coordinates of what I am finding, coordinates of QR, matlab foot of perpendicular. QR, that is x is equal to 6 by 7 and y equal to 12 by 7 plus 2 and z equal to 18 by 7 plus 2, or otherwise x is equal to 6 upon 7 and y equal to 14, 26 upon 7 and z equal to 14, 32. 32 upon 7. 14 plus 18, 32. Clear? Okay, now so therefore we are getting foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular is 6 by 7, 26 by 7, 32 by 7. Don't do calculation mistake, very carefully you have to do. The concept of this, you have to find a foot of perpendicular and then image. They are asking image. So see, maybe they can ask equation of perpendicular. So that is 2-point form, x minus x1 upon direction ratio x2 minus x1. You know xyz is area आपके पास. Now you have to find the equation. Suppose if they ask a foot of perpendicular, then x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Like this, you can find equation of perpendicular. In case if they ask length of perpendicular, then using distance formula you can find length of perpendicular. Now here they are asking image. So now I am writing, since q is midpoint of PP dash, clear? So therefore x dash plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 by 7 and y dash plus 6 upon 2 equal to 26 by 7 and z dash plus 3 upon 2 equal to 32 by 7. So this implies x dash equal to, so 12 by 7 minus 1 and is y dash equal to that is 52 by 7 minus 6 and is z dash equal to 64 by 7 minus 3. Then do it a calculation, then automatically you will get an image. Clear? Like this you have to find the image of this given point. This is also one of the most important question. Now let me take another question. Suppose if they ask the same question, if they change like this, let me take it. Another question. Are you clear? This one, how to find the foot of perpendicular. I am giving only line. From line I am giving question. Another topic is that is a plane, that we will see later on. Now see, another most important question. This is also board question. I am taking the here. Find the points on the line. Which line they have given? X plus 2 upon 3 equal to y plus 1 upon 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 2 at a distance 3 root 2 units from the point 1, 2, 3. Another most important question. Now what is the difference between previous question and this question? That's why I have taken especially this question. This question, whatever I have done right now, that is a foot of perpendicular. That's why we have drawn from the point perpendicular line. Now see here what they are saying. This is a line that is x plus 2 upon 3, that is equal to y plus 1 upon 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 2. They are taking one point, that is 1, 2, 3. This point is distance from this, that is a 3 root 2 they have given. I am taking this is P point and this is find point on the line. This point they are asking. Where the point distance from this to this line is 3 root 2 they have given. Now how to find this? Already it was quite easy. That means a direction ratio dot product equal to 0. Through that we got lambda value. Easily we got foot of perpendicular. Now see here the same procedure you have to do. So let line, you have to find the x, y, z. So that you take this line equal to lambda. So whenever you need point in either two lines are intersecting like this, or otherwise one plane or one line is intersecting, you must have one equation of a line in Cartesian form. That's keep your mind. So I have one equation of line Cartesian, otherwise you convert it into Cartesian form. Okay. Now upon 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 2 equal to say lambda. So this implies x is equal to 3 lambda minus 2 and y equal to 2 lambda minus 1 and z equal to 2 lambda plus 3. Clear? Now what I am doing here, see this point you got. Now distance between these 2 points 3 root 2 using distance formula. So I am writing that is PQ equal to what they have given 3 root 2. You know how to find PQ, under root of x minus 1 ka whole square and then plus y minus 2 ka whole square, y minus 2 ka whole square plus z minus 3 ka whole square. that is equal to what they have given, 3 root 2. Squaring on both sides at the same time, the key value of xy is at here. So 3 lambda minus 2 or minus 1, so minus 3 ka whole square, and then plus y if I keep 2 lambda minus 3 ka whole square, and then if I keep this one, 3 cancel, so 2 lambda whole square. I am doing squaring on both sides, 9 into 2, I am getting here 18. So this is 9 lambda square, and then minus 18 lambda, 18 lambda, and then plus 9 plus 4 lambda square, and then 6 minus 12 lambda, and then plus 9 plus 4 lambda square equal to 18. Otherwise 9 lambda square, 13 lambda square, 17 lambda square, and then 18 lambda, and then minus 12 lambda. So we are getting that is minus 30 lambda, and 18, that is equal to 0. Clear? This 9 plus 9, 18 goes to that side 0. If I take lambdas outside, 17 lambda minus 30 equal to 0. So either lambda equal to 0, either lambda equal to 0 or lambda equal to 30 by 17. So we are getting two values. Now, so if you keep the value of lambda here, so therefore x is, if I keep 0 here, so what I am getting? Minus 2. And if lambda equal to 0, then I am getting x is equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3. So therefore Q point we are getting minus 2, minus 1 and 3. If I take lambda equal to 30 by 17, then therefore Q points are x is equal to 90 by 17 minus 2 and y equal to 60 by 17 minus 1 and z equal to, that is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, sorry, lambda I am taking 30 by 17, am I correct? 30. So that is a 60 by 17, 17 plus 3. Now do it calculation, automatically you will get that is another point, Q point. There are two possibilities. Are we clear? So your target must be how to find value of lambda. So you have to try to understand what is question given, then try to find the value of lambda. Clear to you? Now the last question I am taking for this line. See, maximum concept I am covering. So see my introduction first to try to understand, formulate everything, concepts, everything. Then only you can do questions, okay? And whatever questions I have covered, beyond this you start doing NCERT question. So once shortest distance, how to find, that's also I will do it. Now let me take this question. This is also one of the repeated question. Find the value of P, find P if 1 minus x upon 3 equal to 7y minus 14 upon P equal to z minus 3 upon 2 and 7 minus 7x upon 3p equal to y minus 5 upon 1 equal to 6 minus x upon 5 are perpendicular. This is also one of the most important repeated question. They are saying both are perpendicular, find p. So what I told you, if two lines are perpendicular, then direction ratio dot product is 0. But before finding direction ratio, the line must be standard form. That means the coefficient of x, y, z must be 1. Now see, this is not in standard form. First you have to convert this into standard form. So I am converting into standard form. So I am taking 7. So y minus 2 upon p and that is equal to z minus 3 upon 2. Now I can write x minus 1 upon minus 3 equal to y minus 2 upon p by 7, that is equal to z minus 3 upon 2. Now therefore direction ratios are minus 3 comma p by 7 comma 2. Okay, fine. First direction ratio. Then next I am taking another line, so minus 7 I am taking out, x minus 1 upon 3p, that is equal to y minus 5 upon 1 equal to minus if I take x minus 6 upon 5. Now this implies x minus 1 upon minus 3 by 7p, that is equal to y minus 5 upon 1 equal to x minus 6 upon minus 5. Now direction ratios are, what is direction ratio? Minus 3 by 7p comma 1 comma minus 5. So if two lines are perpendicular, perpendicular, then direction ratio dot product is 0. So I am taking direction ratios dot product minus 3 into minus 3 by 7p and then plus 1 into p by 7 and then minus 5 into 2 equal to 0. Otherwise we are getting 9 by 7p and then minus 5p by, that is plus p by 7 and then equal to 10. Otherwise 10p by 7 equal to 10 implies p equal to 10 cancel 7 we are getting. Clear to you? So this is the very easiest one. So what I told you, if two lines are perpendicular, first you consider direction ratio. So before considering direction ratio, you should check the coefficient of x, y, z must be 1. Then take it to direction ratio dot product equal to 0. Automatically you will get a value of p. Clear to you? So some little bit questions are left now, that is SD, and how to find the equation of SD, that's I will give you next class. Thank you children. Stay blessed. Be confident.